Hello friends, the title of the video is The Comeback of Keynes Model. John Keynes, the British economist, came with the idea that ended Great Depression of 1929. So, the Keynes model of economics formed the basis of the post-Second World War global economic order. Keynes model emphasized the important role for the government in macroeconomics, brought prosperity, at least for its major constituencies in the US and Europe. Keynes' model was discarded when the advanced economy suffered the 1973's first oil shock. This oil shock slowed the growth and raised the inflation. So, it brought discontentment among the advanced economies. Fortunately, as the Keynesian dividend disappeared, the ideas of Friedman gained traction in the US and Britain. The ideas of Friedman were in many ways the opposite of Keynes. So, the world was ruled by Friedman ideas from 1970s to 2008. The wisdom of Keynes made a comeback in 2008 after the subprime crisis of USA. The countries around the world rushed to stimulate their economies with the big government spending package to avoid the fate of Great Depression. Indeed, the fate was avoided, but it came at a cost. In public perception, too much of the government spending went to banks and bankers, who had precipitated the crisis in the first place. Similarly, it had little benefit to the average citizens who bore the brunt of slowdown. The free market system always had a tendency to create inequality. But the government spending after subprime crisis of 2008 perpetuated greater inequality. This greater inequality led to a backlash against the free market, globalization, and government finance bailout. It is found that no big ideas from economics has found a way to positively influence global policies in the decade after 2008. To conclude, economies of the 21st century are too complex for state versus market binary. What matters more is getting the role of state right and regulation of the market economy right. Thank you for watching my video.